guys, welcome to my channel. We're gonna
What's
do
up?
a toy review.
Yeah, starting with a 3D chameleon.
Okay, well show them, they can't see it.
This is a 3D chameleon. A guy from a select school. And he's actually able to move. He's actually like chains like that. And time for the next one.
Okay, what's the next one? Oh, you need to show them Cat.
Hi. I'm actually not late. He just let me in the video, so I'm gonna be in here for now on.
Okay.
There's only like 2 toys. Actually 3 because of the 8 I was just saying on.
Okay. Hold on. What's that?
This Bonnie. Glamrock. And then there's like, and Monty actually destroyed him, but you're actually able to turn it. He broke.
Okay, what's the next toy?
Okay, next toy. Neos.
Yeah, we have,
Ball
he got
Neos,
these Neos.
The Needle balls. Squishies.
Do they
used to stick.
They don't stick anymore?
They don't.
Okay, well, thanks guys.